Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto News Today. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson says he was blindsided by eToro's decision to delist ADA for US customers. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said he'd been blindsided by eToro's delisting of ADA for US users. Hoskinson said there were no regulatory events or subpoenas, threats or lawsuit that they were aware of. eToro said it planned to delist ADA for US customers by the year end because of regulatory concerns. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson told followers this week on Twitter that eToro's decision to delist the ADA token for US customers had come as a complete surprise to him. eToro, an online trading platform based in Israel, said on Tuesday it would delist ADA, along with the Tron Foundation's TRX token for customers in the United States by December 26. eToro first added ADA to its crypto offering in 2018. The exchange told Insider the rapidly shifting regulatory landscape was behind its decision to limit the ability of US customers to open new positions in the two digital currencies. Many critics have argued that the regulatory landscape in the US for crypto is not clear yet, but officials do believe that regulation is necessary and more policies are set to be put in place by 2022. Hoskinson, who founded Cardano in 2015, said that he still needed further clarification on the trading platform's decision to delist ADA for US customers. There's currently nothing we've received, no regulatory event, no subpoena, nothing from any regulatory agency, no threats of lawsuits, none of these things. That's why we're so blindsided by it, because actually, the trend has been over the last 6 months a significant increase of liquidity on Cardano, Hoskinson said. On our side, we had no indication of this from eToro, and it's rather unfortunate that nothing was sent our way, he said. The decision knocked almost 4.8% off the value of the ADA token and sent it to 3-month lows, while TRX fell 5% to a 1-month low on Wednesday. But ADA has still been one of the top performing cryptocurrencies of 2021. It's gained around 850% so far this year, which has made it the world's 6th largest digital token by market value, according to CoinMarketCap. It's fallen short of the 14,000% gain in rival Solana Sol token this year, but has roundly beaten Bitcoin's 102% rally. It's a smaller competitor to the Ethereum network, thanks to its capability of hosting smart contracts and other applications that are key to decentralized finance. Cardano's ADA has been listed by some of the biggest exchanges. It was listed on Coinbase on March 19 this year and on Binance in 2017, and Kraken listed it in 2018. Bitstamp decided to list ADA last Thursday. The altcoin is not listed on Gemini yet. We at least could have better understood the reasons and will of course reach out on our side to better understand reasons, but it's primarily the foundation's responsibility, Hoskinson said, referring to the Cardano Foundation, a non-profit organization in Switzerland that is the custodian of the Cardano brand. While eToro's decision came as a surprise, Hoskinson was ultimately sanguine. It doesn't surprise me from the perspective of these things happen. Everybody has a different compliance desk. Everybody has a different regulatory tolerance. Everybody has a different customer base, he said. The pricing decline for Cardano's ADA token appears partly driven by overall market momentum, but it's also likely that token-specific news is factoring into the pullback. eToro recently announced that it plans to remove the ADA token from its trading platform for US-based account holders, and that appears to be pushing investors out of the cryptocurrency. So what? eToro announced on November 23 that it would be limiting trading on Cardano and Tron's Crypto TRX cryptocurrency tokens. The trading platform didn't get deep into the details of why it was making the move, but it cited business-related considerations in the evolving regulatory environment as the major motivating factor. eToro users won't be able to open new positions in either coin beginning on December 26, and the ability to stake either of the tokens will then expire on December 31. Users will still be able to sell coins they are holding until changes are implemented in 2022, but the trading specialist's decision creates extra uncertainty surrounding Cardano, and it's not surprising to see its token losing ground following the news. Now what? Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson indicated that the lack of an established global regulatory standard for cryptocurrency exchange listing was at the root of ADA's trading being limited on eToro. Investors will still have plenty of other trading platforms on which to buy and sell Cardano's token, but eToro's decision clouds the cryptocurrency's outlook and could cause it to see more volatile trading in the near term. Even with the recent pricing pullback, Cardano's token price has surged roughly 900% across 2021. The cryptocurrency now has a market capitalization of roughly $54.5 billion, and it ranks as the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Newly released 10 stocks we think you should buy right now. Our award-winning analyst team revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now. And when they have a stock tip, it can pay to listen. After all, the newsletter they have run for over a decade, Motley Fool Stock Advisor, has tripled the market. After launching in September 2017, Cardano's ADA token mostly remained under the radar of traders until the end of November. Since then, the cryptocurrency has jumped by 1,520%. With a market capitalization of $18.8 billion, Cardano is the fifth most valuable cryptocurrency as of this writing. Here's a brief primer on Cardano and its cryptocurrency. What is Cardano? Even as they have skyrocketed to prominence in the last couple of years, most cryptocurrencies have had chaotic growth trajectories. Scandals, hacks, and disagreements that resulted in hard forks have brought a bad rep to their ecosystem. Cardano is a blockchain project founded by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum, to provide a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem for cryptocurrencies. According to its website, ADA is the only coin with a scientific philosophy and research-driven approach. In practical terms, this means that its open-source blockchain undergoes a rigorous peer review process by scientists and programmers in academia. The non-profit foundation that runs Cardano has also partnered with a bunch of academic institutions to research and review all aspects of its blockchain. For example, researchers at Lancaster University are developing a reference treasury model to find a sustainable way to fund future development for Cardano's blockchain. How is Cardano different from Bitcoin and Ethereum? Despite its projectile increase in less than 2 months, ADA is somewhat of an outlier in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. ADA calls itself the first third-generation cryptocurrency and aims to tackle scaling and infrastructure problems that first cropped up in Bitcoin, a first-generation cryptocurrency that introduced the idea of digital coins, and Ethereum, a second-generation cryptocurrency that expanded use cases for coins to smart contracts. Specifically, Cardano aims to solve problems related to scalability, interoperability, and sustainability on cryptocurrency platforms. The first problem refers to the slowing down of networks and high fees due to increase in transaction volumes. See also, will high transaction fees bring down Bitcoin's price? Cardano's algorithm Ouroboros has been put forward as a possible solution to its scaling problems. Ouroboros utilizes a proof-of-stake (POS) approach to save on energy costs and enable faster transaction processing. Instead of having a copy of individual blockchains on each node, as is common in Bitcoin, Cardano's blockchain streamlines the number of nodes in a network by appointing a leaders responsible for verifying and validating transactions from a collection of nodes. Subsequently, the leader node pushes transactions to the main network. Cardano has also adopted RINA, recursive internetworked architecture, to scale its network. This network topology was first developed by John Day and enables customized increments to heterogeneous networks. Hoskinson has said that he wants Cardano's protocols to reach the standards of TCP/IP, the dominant protocol used on the internet for exchange of data. See also, 4 blockchain contenders in competition with Ethereum. Interoperability relates to the portability of a cryptocurrency both within its natural ecosystem and in its interface with the existing global finance ecosystem. Currently, there is no way to perform cross-chain transactions between cryptocurrencies or to conduct a seamless transaction involving cryptocurrencies and the global finance ecosystem. Exchanges, which crash or charge exorbitant fees, are the only intermediaries. An assortment of regulations pertaining to customer and transaction identities has further distanced the cryptocurrency ecosystem from its global counterpart. Cardano aims to enable cross-chain transfers through sidechains, which conduct transactions between 2 parties off-chain. It is also exploring ways for institutions and individuals to selectively divulge metadata related to transactions and identities to enable use of cryptocurrencies for trading in daily transactions. The bottom line: Cardano boasts an impressive pedigree and a long-term vision for its blockchain and cryptocurrency, but it is still early days. While its initial use case is as a cryptocurrency, Cardano's blockchain intends to expand beyond coins into a control layer that will provide services absent in the cryptocurrency ecosystem today. Given that it is still early days, much depends on execution of the vision. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other initial coin offerings, ECOs, is highly risky and speculative, and this article is not a recommendation by Investopedia or the writer to invest in cryptocurrencies or other ECOs. Since each individual situation is unique, a qualified professional should always be consulted before making any financial decisions. Investopedia makes no representations or warranties as to the accuracy or timeliness of the information contained herein. As of the date this article was written, the author owns small amounts of Bitcoin. It is unclear whether he owns other Bitcoin forks.